Hi, and welcome to another day on Miss T's Ideas. I wanted to show you last night what I made. It was a YouTuber. She was making these little go-in slots to go into your journal, and I'm gonna show you how it was done. Take it apart. Okay. This is glued together with washi tape, of course. I stamped these with the ink. I inked that. Okay. I inked the large one. This is two different index cards. It was made with index cards, okay? And this is how it goes. Okay. Open it up like that. I stamped that and I put some stamps in it. You can put stuff in it. Let me get something. Let me get something to stick in there. I'll just stick this in there. This is way too big, but that's all I have on hand right now to stick in here. Okay. Really, I need something smaller. Okay, I'll stick this in here. Look. Put the staple. Put this on there. And here's a pocket in the back that I made with another index card. And I have some little things in the pockets. Let things go. And you could just put some little trinkets in the pockets. Okay. Here's my little trinkets that I had in my pockets. Some little nice surprises in the pockets. And this is where you can put stuff in here, notes, whatever, little papers to write on. But I stamped this. This is one of my favorite stamps, the writing stamp. And this is a small pocket. This was made with index card, big index card, and this was made with a little one. And I also made a template for that. I don't have a cutter, so I just made the template. And you can just hook it however you want it in your, however you're comfortable with it in your journal. But this is just a slide in. Turn it on. Another packet. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Miss T's Idea. If you like this video, please subscribe, and like and share. Thank you.